Skies have been clear and sunny all day today. It was a cold start this morning. Readings were in the 30s, but since then we've warmed up under bright sunshine. You look at the close-up and there's not a cloud to be found overhead in the valley today. Certainly no rain anywhere nearby. And if we watch future track, suggests that overnight we stay partly cloudy and a little chilly to start the day tomorrow, but by afternoon, kind of a mix of clouds and sun. The model's trying to hit it, maybe a quick sprinkle tomorrow, but I think most of the rain, if not all of it, will hold off until Saturday. But once Saturday gets here, look at this mess. The map just turns green. 8 o'clock in the morning. Scattered showers, periods of rain across the area on Saturday. There's even some yellow and orange in there. Wouldn't be surprised to hear a rumble of thunder. The yellow, orange meaning heavier rainfall. I think we're looking at half an inch to an inch in some places. Isolated totals of more than that during the daytime on Saturday. The heaviest rain probably in the coastal counties, but everybody fair game for at least something. Saturday night the showers continue, but then overnight they go away. By 10 o'clock most of it should be out of here, and by Sunday most of the clouds should be gone as well. We'll end up partly to mostly sunny during the daytime on Sunday, and that will help temperatures warm back up a little bit. So we're dry tomorrow, but then a 60% chance of just rain on Saturday. I think a lot of places are going to get rained on. And then overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning, leftover stuff, but during the daytime Sunday, I think we probably will be mainly rain-free. Temperature right now in the 60s, every place but Rio Grande City, where it's holding at 71, 61 in Port Isabel, everybody else somewhere in between. Your dew points back up into the 40s. You'll recall yesterday we had dew points teens, 20s, so they're coming back up. So we're working our way up onto the muggy meter here, so at least the air still relatively dry. We got a long way to go, but it's still comfortable out there, just not as dry as yesterday. Overnight tonight, temperatures are not going to get in the 30s. In fact, most of us won't even get to the 40s. Maybe Rio Grande City and Harlingen. Everybody else probably in the low 50s overnight tonight. And then tomorrow, back around 70, pretty close to where we were today. A little cooler in a couple of spots, but still a very mild day across the region. Normal high for this time of year, 71. Probably won't make it tomorrow. Confident we won't make it Saturday, and probably not Sunday either, with the clouds and the rain Saturday, and then all that moisture has to evaporate on Sunday, so it stays cool again. Texas is pretty quiet tonight. Not much happening in the state. It's become a little more mild. At least it's in the 50s up in North Texas, 30 in Dalhart, though. That's where the cold air is. This is a map of the surface. The fronts are on the surface, but the black lines are up in the upper atmosphere. We showed the upper atmosphere, basically the wind following these lines, and front comes through tomorrow morning. Air mass doesn't change much. Again, we get almost as warm, but here comes the upper level disturbance. That's the thing we're watching. You see the kink in the wind flow kind of bends right there. Each side of that tends to be the active area, and that disturbance is going to push right down across South Texas. So the east side of it goes across on Saturday. By Sunday it's past. Northwest flow aloft, dry air comes in, clouds break, get back to sunshine, and we see that probably Monday as well. Another front on Tuesday that will bring chillier temperatures once again, and there's some really cold air on the weather map. We're not going to get most of it, but we'll cool off again for the middle part of next week. Easterly winds at the coast, 5 to 15, a moderate chop, UV's high. No advisories with a moderate risk of rip currents. There are 3 tides. So tonight, 51, that's your low. A few patchy clouds show up later on. Then tomorrow, back up to 70. Early sunshine. Clouds going to thicken up as the day goes on as that upper air disturbance approaches from the west. The disturbance gives us a good chance of rain on Saturday, a high of only 63. 67 on Sunday, some clouds early, then some sunshine. Monday, probably the warmest day of the bunch at 75 because another front on Tuesday drops the temperatures once again. Counting on clouds sticking around Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, keeping us above freezing. If those clouds clear, then we could be dealing with temperatures like last night once again. That's your updated First One 5 forecast.